In this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook chat to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the chat section, and down below, you will find Facebook chat. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corners of the window, you can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left hand side, we have about 4 options. On the Connect section, this is where we can start adding our Facebook account, and to do that, simply click on the Connect to Facebook button. In here, a tab will open that will ask you for your Facebook account, and you just want to simply click on Continue. Once you do, it should ask for your Facebook page, and if you click on the drop down, it will list down all of the Facebook pages that you have. On the Content section, this is where you can change the chat bubble icon. So if you click on the icon, you can choose from the library, and there will be a selection of icons that you can choose from. Below, you can also add a bubble text, and if you have a specific icon, you can also upload from computer. Below the chat window, you can also show the info from the Facebook page if that is something that you want to do. If you don't want to do that, then just simply tick this off. Now, if you tick it off, you will add a picture as well as the custom name and a caption here below. This will also be the same when you show the info, so simply click on caption, and in here, you can choose it to be online, one of the reply times, or add a custom caption. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. Below, what you could also do is add a specific welcome message. And at the bottom, you can even change the Start Chat button text, as well as show the icon in the Start Chat button. On the Settings section, this is where you can change the position of the widget. So if you click on Position, this is where you can change the position from a floating bubble, embed bubble, or an embed chat window. On the Appearance section, this is where you can change the font of the widget. You can also change the color of the header background, user online status, chat wallpaper, message background, as well as the button color. Below, you can also change the corner radius of the Start Chat button. You could choose a square corner, a rounded corner, or a circular, and if you click on the 3 dots, you will have a specific scroll bar that you can adjust depending on how you want the corner radius to be. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, Hover in between two sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed and Social. Simply click on that one. And on Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, you want to see the circles, hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. Now you want to place this in a way wherein you would like it to be. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to simply click on the widget. At the top, click on Edit Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V. Now, under Font Family, this is where you can change it to the fonts into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply click on Update here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget. Now, the next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have a Facebook chat on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.